What you're about to watch isn't the movie itself, it's a story behind the story. This is behind the scenes look of how independent filmmakers in Nigeria bring their ideas to life with limited budgets, endless determination, and a refusal to let circumstances stop them. While many people wait for the perfect conditions, these creators simply start with what they have. Today, you'll see exactly what it takes to turn a script into a film.
No, no. You should give her. You give her no, no. Telling like yes, no. Yes.
Are you filming next log 3?
Go pay me because I'm with the other account.
So according to the movie, we have the cooler version, right?
That's in heavier.
If you like gym.
As the day begins, the crew prepares the opening scene. Cameras are assembled, lights are positioned, actors rehearse their blockings, and every detail is carefully planned before the first shot is captured.
Continue.
Oh, me take. Please let me. Okay.
Each other, signing. So it's just ensuring that
She's also speaking.
she's speaking.
Rebecca speaks.
To
Adenike
who?
speaks. Rebecca speaks to Dr. Rebecca speaks to Adenike. Then Dr. speaks. Then Rebecca.
Now see the line.
Just play your phone.
Can I have my ring?
I think it'll be big.
I don't be big. Hello, doctor. All right. We're ready for you.
You didn't fix the nails again.
I don't know, but you can check if you want. Hold on.
Guys,
Let's move.
After all the preparation, it's finally time to roll cameras.
No, not yet.
Doctor.
Yeah. Yeah, tell you can happen.
we need some.
Doctor, you're sitting on your
Can you record the sound?
Can you sit?
Sit up.
Yeah.
Just be
Everything has to show
lines in
brain.
the box.
Everything needs to show brain. Come on, take photo.
Take one. Action. I told you.
You. Are you sure you do not have any record of illness in your family?
None that I know of. There's nothing like that.
I don't know that answer. I want something sure, something definite. So, are you sure you do not have any record of illness in the family?
There's no record of illness in my family.
Of course.
Not to worry, Mrs. Olumio. I've spoken with her extensively and we've done all the necessary tests. She's
The first scene is in the books. Filmmaking doesn't stop after one take. Almost immediately, the entire team packs up and moves to a completely new location. Every relocation means carrying cameras, lights, sound equipment, and props before the next scene can begin. With everything set up again, filming continues. Each shot demands patience, teamwork, and constant problem solving.
So wait.
Silence everywhere.
Wait.
Then rolling.
Alright. Master shot on scene 7, take 1. Director.
Action.
Ẹ wá bá mi gbé gbòòsà fọ́kọ mi o. Ọ̀pẹ tó fún mi lóyún. Bóyá o gbòòsà, gbòòsà, gbòòsà. Ẹ wá bá mi gbé gbòòsà fáyà mi o. Àyà olóríire, ẹ aláyèrè, ẹ alábẹ̀rẹ̀ tó bára jù. Ẹsẹ̀ sókè o, àìsùn ni mo ṣe tí mo dọ̀lọ́mọ. Àìsùn ni mo ṣe tí mo dọ̀lọ́mọ. Àìsùn.
It's time to move once again. For independent productions, changing locations isn't as simple as driving across town. Every move requires rebuilding the entire set from scratch before filming can continue.
Call Rebecca for you now.
Maybe uncle. Yeah. Okay, good.
This frequent visit between you and your wife, please. I don't wait. I don't appreciate. Wait, hold on.
David, in the Bible, you were giver. What's your name?
Lines are finished. Please.
The camera roll, again, as another sequence comes to life.
This frequent visit between you and your wife, I don't appreciate it.
This is where preparation meets performance. Just when one scene is complete, it's time to pack up and do it all again. The crew heads to another location and begins another setup. This is where the real work happens. Multiple takes, different camera angles, performance adjustments, lighting tweaks, sound checks. Every scene is repeated until everyone feels they've captured the strongest possible performance. What may become only a few seconds on screen can easily require hours of preparation and filming.
Party there. Then look left and right. Look at him back then. Look at him from back then. You can smile and smile at him. Then leave different. Because you just walk and leave different like that. To this side. With the montage we need, please can you just wear as top first? Here after that one we cut it. 3 seconds, oh wash up. That is it. With that one for that one is okay. But the light is it okay? Please camera, please if light is that's my target. I'm guessing around. Any other way?
I was mixing.
Come from there. Well, now this cord here is even a problem. Let me see. You know what? Shoot. The cord and even reduce the tension of the light first because you have to go to it. Then move it back towards the entrance of the. Yes. So now the phone is here ringing. I'd like to make a bit. I'll do an expression of you looking at the phone, then I'll do one of the phone ringing. So now let's do.
You want to walk to that place?
Yes. So, no, I go leave that place. No.
Even me.
Everybody.
With another successful scene completed, the crew packs everything once again and heads to the local market. For the independent filmmakers, the day is rarely over after one location. The market provides another completely different environment, bringing new challenges, new energy, and another opportunity to tell the story authentically.
No go come out. No go come out.
I don't think so.
And it's not lost.
Director.
Action. Sorry, again. See, this time here, don't come from here. You see where that leg goes?
Don't take too much.
Once filming is complete there, everyone returns to the apartment to prepare for the next stage of production. Behind every independent Nigerian film is a team that refuses to let limited resources define what's possible. They don't wait for Hollywood-sized budgets. They don't wait for perfect equipment. They create, because stories deserve to be told.
No problem, my darling. Come on. It's okay, my dear. It's okay. Everything will be fine. Okay? Don't do this. Don't do it. I didn't pay. What is this? I didn't pay. What are you trying to hide? What is it? Don't kill yourself. What is it? It's okay. It's okay. Come with it. Let me see. Please, why are you doing this? Don't kill yourself now, please. See, everything will be okay, okay? Sorry, I like that.
And please, the light, let us consider the light. What we are saying is
Now, see you. Now, damn you. Why you going to point me? Where you going to go now? You and who?
These are extreme.
If the behind-the-scenes journey gave you a new appreciation for independent filmmaking, support the creators by watching the finished movie, sharing their work, and encouraging the next generation of storytellers. This is filmmaking in Nigeria, and this is what passion looks like behind the camera.